What I wish I knew when I started on TikTok? How easy it is to become an affiliate marketer. Here's your step-by-step guide. Step 1, meet the basics. Create a TikTok account, join the affiliate program, and get 1,000 plus followers and 10K plus views in the last 30 days. Step 2, choose your affiliate program. Try TikTok Shop for physical products, Amazon Associates for product links, or ClickBank for digital goodies with high payouts. Step 3, select profitable products. Trending items like home gadgets or fitness gear with high commission rates are gold. Step 4, create engaging content. Make short, catchy videos showcasing the product. Use hooks like, "This $10 tool saves you hours of work." Step 5, add affiliate links. Drop them in your bio or video captions. Use TikTok's Shop Now button if you can. Step 6, earn commissions. Track your performance and watch the money roll in. Pro tips. Post consistently, use trending sounds and hashtags like #TikTokMadeMeBuyIt, and engage with your followers. Remember, success is all about consistent content, smart product picks, and strong promotion. Start small, test what works, and scale up. Happy marketing.